3 days ago, I found these two quotes on the internet which describes two different ways of approaching life. First, to get what I want, I need to do this. And second, I need to do this to get what I want. If that sounds fucked up to you, you're not the only one. I felt the same, but when I dig deep into this thought, I was amazed. So I just couldn't resist myself to make a video on this. Ask any 80-year-old person about the worst pain in life, you will get the same answer. The pain of not doing the things they should have. The pain of regret. There are some things in life that fall under same spectrum but are separated with a very thin line. Motivation and inspiration, ice and water, blindness and darkness, hearing and listening, feeling and experiencing. The list is limitless. Understanding this thin line of difference can turn your life upside down. What you need versus what you want is one such area of life impacting your teenage years, career, adult life, relationships, and long-term happiness. But most importantly, it decides whether your life will be a journey or a survival. For starters, choosing a relationship that you need versus a relationship that you want will literally shift the course of your life into opposite directions. When I was 16, I had to make a choice about my career. I barely knew anything about the world than engineering and medical field. I took engineering. Needless to say, it wasn't my choice and neither it was my parents'. All we had was a limited view of world, and since everyone around you becomes a career expert when you are 16, engineering was the only word we were constantly looking and listening. When I got into engineering, I thought this is it, my dream life, the journey I wanted. 2 years later, I failed in engineering. The most loved thing became the most hated one, and what I thought as a journey became a desperate survival. That was the first time I realized the things I wanted are not the things I needed. You know the concept of basic needs of life, but have you ever heard about the basic wants of life? What you want is just a decision made by you when you look at the shiny things in the world. When you see your friend has these cool sneakers, you also kind of want it. When you see these engineers getting placed in big companies with big packages, you also kind of want it. One thing we forget, to want something is a decision made by a short-term desire. Short-term desire should never become long-term goals. Many youngsters want a quick money scheme or easy job to get settled. I wanted that. That's a perfect example of short-term desire trying to become a long-term goal. You are going against the laws of happiness. Wanting is naive, everyone wants something, but needs are primal, needs are instinctive. If you don't get what you want, you might become sad, but if you don't get what you need, you might die. When you need something, you are asking it for the unfiltered and pure version of yourself. When you want something, you are asking it for the psychologically manipulated version of yourself. Most of my friends are musicians. They know music is the only thing that can make them happy. But they also need money to fund their projects, so they want to do a job sometimes. Still, they are aware of this line of difference between their need and their want. Music is their need and doing a job for money is want. If they sacrifice their need for their want, they might earn money for now, but they know they will be dead from inside. Playing music is their need. Doesn't matter it is for money or not, because that's the thing that gives them happiness. It's the same case with me. Coding for fun, making YouTube videos and writing, I would rather not have the money. I need those things because that's my identity. We get 16 years of education to figure out things we want. But when it comes to the work for the things we need, we choose not to do it, not even for a year. If you get what you want, you will be happy for a moment. But if you get what you need, you will be happy for life. It is kind of weird that people struggle for the wrong thing for whole of their life, just to realize that the things they wanted really didn't make their life any better. What seemed journey became survival. We have been influenced in a such way that we stick to one-dimensional thought process. The thought process that focuses only on the things we want instead of the things we need. No one ever thinks about the things that they need to live a fulfilling life. Even if they do, they choose to ignore it. How many times it has happened to you that you don't want to do the things that you are doing? We know these things can never be the source of our happiness, but still we don't want to move away from it. I understand there are a lot of factors that resist you to stop doing the things that you hate, but you really need to sort this line between what you need versus what you want. When you want something, you just probably kind of want it. You don't have that instinct and desire to just go out and get it. There is a different beauty in life when you chase the things that you need instead of the things that you want. When you need something, there is no option of maybe. You got to get it. That's how needs work. They push your limits to the level that you can't even imagine. Try going without a food for 2 days, you will know what I'm talking about. Needs resonate with your inner desires and wants resonate with your outer desires. You might want to do something in your life, but unless you don't find an instinctive need to it, you will never be able to go all in. That's a one small difference, but it's enough to decide whether your life will be a journey or survival.